what's good? Welcome back to my channel. Now today's video, girl, is this autumnal orange tone glam, honey. Now girl, when I tell you I didn't even think I could do a look like this, I am shook with my own abilities. Like, it's not perfect. If I get like really close in the mirror, like, I know it's not perfect, but I am so happy with this. It's kind of like a attempt at like a cut crease kind of thing. You've probably seen all my posing and all that, so you already know all that, but like, I'm just really happy with how this look turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look and how I surprised myself, girl, then of course don't go anywhere. First, I'm going to prime the skin using the Nivea Men's Shave Balm Post Shave Balm Insensitive. And then I'm going to go in with foundation. This is the L'Oreal True Match in the shade Cappuccino. I'm applying that all over my face using my fingers first. And then I'm going to blend it out with the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion one. Is that what they're called, Real Techniques? I think so. And for concealer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Tan. Under my eyes. Apparently on my photo today, in my forehead and on my chin. Do a little dance because I'm excited about something. And I'm going to blend that out with the Real Techniques sponge again. Yeah, it is Real Techniques. I don't know why I thought it wasn't. Oh, what's she doing, girl? I was watching a video on my phone. I'm going to set all the concealer with the Beauty Bakerie Flower Powder in the shade Yellow. And this random fluffy brush. I don't know. Actually, did I get this when I was in Korea? I'm not sure. I don't remember where I got that from. I don't know how long I've had it. I don't know where it's from. I don't know. But I like it to set concealer sometimes. And then to set the rest of the face, I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finished Natural in the shade Dark Deepest. Girl is low, but girl already has a backup. Don't worry. I'm using a random powder brush that I bought from Korea also. Brow time! For the brows, I'm using the Brow Bar Eyeshadow Quad from W7. And a random angle brush that I think I bought in South Korea as well. I bought a lot of brushes in South Korea. I'm just adding some more concealer to the lids to prime them. And laughing at the video on my phone because why not? The first eyeshadow I'm going in with is by Makeup Geek in the shade Morocco. I'm packing that on the lid with a Morphe E23. It was looking a little patchy, which I thought was weird, but I went in with the MUA E3 to kind of tidy any patchy areas up. It's a shorter and denser brush than the E23 by Morphe. I then go in with the Morphe E27 to blend for my life. I spent so much time blending. This whole look is just blending. See, blending some more. And as you'll see the clips, I'm just blending and blending some more. And then blending some more. The next eyeshadow I'm going in with is by Illamasqua in the shade Daemon. It's like a bright red shade. And I'm going in with this Real Techniques brush. Don't know what it's called, but it will be listed in the description box down below. Back in with the E27, doing some more blending. Okay, the next eyeshadow I use is by Innisfree. It's the shade Fire Red Tulip. I go in with a Zoeva. I want to say this is the 227. And just to help blend some of those edges out again, it is a 227, yes, by Zoeva. And then I'm going in with a Zoeva 231 to add some black. This black is Corrupt by Makeup Geek. And you will see that I just go back and forth between shades and brushes. I kind of go in between the 231 by Zoeva and the E3 by MUA, and then I alternate black and red on each brush respectively. I can't talk today, I just give up. But yeah, I was just having the biggest struggle trying to blend this black out. And when people say with black a little bit goes a long way and build like applying stages, they're telling the complete truth, because I thought this look was all over. But then I took that E3, I took some more Daemon by Illamasqua, and I just blended for my life. And luckily for me, it all worked out well. There we go. She's happy with it. Yes, girl. Thank God. Okay, now I'm going in with the NYX Glitter Primer because I'm going in with a shimmer shade on the lid. That's another Real Techniques brush if anyone's interested. And here we go. This is Flamethrower by Makeup Geek. It's a full shadow. I'm applying that with the MUA E1 brush. It's just a really flat shadow brush. And looking back, I probably should have cut the crease like properly with concealer or something, because I did have a little bit of trouble with getting this line as precise as I wanted. Or maybe I should have used a smaller brush. But either way, go. Okay, she's dancing, so she's happy about something. Yes. Sing, girl. Keep singing, girl. Yes. If anyone's interested, I was listening to, I was watching a BTS video, and the song I'm dancing to is Paradise, if I remember correctly. Yes. Okay, I'm going in under the eye with the shade Daemon again, with the same Real Techniques brush that I applied it with to begin with, on the lash line, and then there's over 227 to add some orange, some Morocco, and I'm using a pencil brush to add some black. I had to really think. I was like, what am I doing? I don't remember. Oh, lashes. Okay, these are the WA Fantasy lashes in the style Cosmic Love, but I'm just going to throw on some mascara first, out of frame. Okay, while my lash glue was drying, I applied blush. I used the Sleek Pumpkin Blush by 3, and I used the bright orange shade from the palette, using a Real Techniques blush brush. Eyes are done, looking pretty. Yes, girl. Lashes are on. Serve. I just applied some black eyeliner to the waterline to smoke things up a little bit. For highlighter, I'm using the L'Oreal Love and Glow palette. This is the Warm Glow, and I'm using those 3 shades to highlight my cheeks. I love this palette. So good. Okay, I'll give you 2 lip options. The first one is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Ginger Snap. This is my favourite nude gloss of all time, of life. Oh, girl, she giving you another slow-mo. Damn, girl. Damn. Okay, honey, you better serve. Okay, I'm probably going to cut this out because I'm really annoying. I look good, though. Hell yeah. Feeling myself. Okay. And then for the second lip option, I'm going in with this lipstick by the brand Bbia. I bought this in Korea. This is in the shade what shade is it? Oh, it's in the shade Pumpkin. Woo, girl, I was struggled. I completely and utterly struggled with that. But there's the final look, and here's another slow-mo for you, girl. Yes. Okay, I'm annoying. I'm gonna stop yassing. Bye. Thanks for watching. God, let me tell you, when, like, I didn't even know I could do this. Like, I did not know I could slay a look this hard. Like, I'm really proud of myself. And I even forgot to do my inner corner highlight. So let me do that real quick. I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Love and Glow and just this last shade here. This is the Love and Glow 1, by the way. It's the Warm Glow palette. Okay, so I've already done my, like, posing and stuff, and I forgot my inner corner highlight, but that's fine. Like, it's whatever. If anyone's watching this and is, like, insecure about how their makeup looks, or insecure about, like eyeshadow or anything, just, like, go for it, because this look was not meant to look like this, and I love it. Like, I'm so excited about this face. Like, are you joking? It looks so good if I do so myself. So if you enjoyed this look this much as I do, hit that thumbs up button. Lets me know that you like this kind of look, girl. This eye is so messy as well, but, like, lashes, girl. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, now I know I can do these kind of glam looks. I will be doing more than them. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.